The Quick Dam water leak kit comes with 5 mats, 5 drip mats, 4 4-foot dams, and 1 10-foot dam. The mats are 6 3/4 by 16.5 inches. This will absorb water on both sides, trapping the water and turning it into a gel. And this will absorb up to 1.5 quarts of water. This is good for leaks or spills. The drip mats are 2 feet by 2 feet. They have a plastic backing to keep the surface dry under the mat. This will absorb water and turn it into a gel, trapping it. This is good for under a leaking faucet or drain pipe until you can repair it. The dams will start to expand and trap water on contact. This will swell up to 2.5 inches. You can wrap this around a water heater in case of a future leak. You can put this around a toilet that's leaking until you have time to repair it. You can put this by a foundation wall that leaks occasionally to trap water. You can also use this like a dam to stop water from entering doorways or windows. And I'll put some more information underneath the video.